And it's really mind-blowing how far it has come, even in manufacturing. That really surprises me. I thought the data in manufacturing wasn't all that available like in other industries, but it is really powerful right now. It is, of course, it's just taking off, a lot of bugs to be ironed out, etc. But I'm pretty excited about the potential it provides for small to medium business, because we don't have people in small to medium companies, right? Chasing, optimizing things. Because all the things most manufacturing companies tell me is we just have enough bandwidth to keep our business running.
That's right.
We can't grow the business, we can't optimize the business, so can you imagine a few agents doing that for you?
Right, how do I work off of facts versus opinions? Sometimes that's kind of hard if you don't have real data to work with. And more, making sure we're looking at the supply chains that we participate in, not just your own factory. As a matter of fact, the research that we're going to do over the next few years, first 5 years, a lot more about some of the stuff we'll be able to show you today in terms of a platform and open standards and templates for different types of equipment and processes to make it easier. A lot of the research going forward will actually be on supply chain connectivity. So if you supply into someone who's making a fighter for the Navy or a ship, and you're supplying them, well, at the end of the day, you got to make sure the whole supply chain's connected, right? And so this is part of how we're helping big manufacturers care about the fact that this stuff can be put into small manufacturers, right? You guys all work together to make the end product. You got to be able to work together, and it's really helping us as we get them coming along to push this.